Alii Lani is one of the most popular residential condo complex on Alii Drive.
Aloha! I am Chiaki Yamada, real estate broker from Big Island, Hawaii. We are at Alii Lani K103 in Kailua-Kona. Welcome to my listing.
It is a move-in ready, charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Living area is 729 square foot. Split AC unit are installed in the living room and primary bedroom. The unit faces directly towards the ocean, offering an ocean view and enjoy the ocean breeze. The home's tropical garden area is a natural extension of its outdoor living space. Let me show you second bedroom and fully renovated beautiful bathroom with soaking tub. The primary bedroom faces towards the ocean, offering a small ocean view. Its bathroom is fully renovated with beautiful tiled walk-in shower.
Thank you for watching. If you like Hawaii real estate, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Mahalo!
Alii Lani offers 2 pool and a spa and a barbecue area and a pavilion with table and chairs. Alii Lani is conveniently located near to shopping, restaurant, and Kona's beaches. Thank you for watching. If you or anybody you know thinking about selling or buying a real estate on Big Island, Hawaii, I will be happy to be of your service. Mahalo!